Ce vlog, c'est literally un mess. Je crois que c'est mon 3e jour. Oula, c'est mon 3e jour. Aujourd'hui, j'ai envie d'aller dans un fancy bar. Est-ce que vous entendez? Ah, j'entends cette musique. Aujourd'hui, j'ai envie d'aller m'acheter une poudre Huda Beauty. En fait, les produits skincare et maquillage ici sont moins chers. Et j'ai entendu ça sur TikTok, mais je faisais pas très attention à ça. J'ai vu les ordinaires qu'on paye en France à 17 €. Ici, c'est 10 balles. Genre 10 livres. C'est pas une dinguerie, genre? Is it with my girls, yeah. I don't want to. No. But nobody will see it.
It's true.
People might see it. You might blow up and become famous.
Yeah, what if we're...
And be like the Parisian
What if
TikToker.
we're too funny?
And you want to see pictures of Simoja?
Yes.
Ah, Simoja was drunk. She was having fun.
Oh, this is the club?
Yeah.
You look so cute.
No, stop. My nose was... Look at Simoja.
No,
Oh
you look
God.
sexy. Wow.
I have had some enough a long time.
What? You're not an alone time kind of person even.
Huh?
Are you like an alone time kind of person?
Especially when I'm in once I'm home, I'm home.
Oh.
Now I'm kind of different because I'm in London and I want to see everything.
Yeah, of course. But when you're in your house?
Yeah, I need to be alone a lot. But did you study?
Huh? No.
Sarah, you need to let her study. That's
I also need to study, that's the issue.
Can I look
Oh.
in
I
your
also have that, yeah.
in your
Or we can have
armoire?
that. We all sit in the same room and all study.
you wanna do that?
No, she goes to study. She doesn't need to study.
No, but I can
You can just sit and chill.
yeah, and edit my videos.
Yeah.
Alors aujourd'hui, on va faire du shopping parce que Lémis a reçu sa paye. She received her paycheck. Woo! Alors on va faire les magasins. On va faire un OOTD là. Un outfit of the day. Can you see it? Can you see me? Ça j'ai acheté en friperie sur Paris. In thrift stores. Should I do it in English or in French? Or in Franglish? In Franglish. Let's do it in Franglish. Ce haut-là, ouais, comme j'ai dit, je l'ai eu dans une thrift store in Paris. Ça, j'ai eu les bijoux. C'est pas trop beau, je regarde les bijoux. Ça aussi, c'est dans un petit magasin sur Paris. Trop bien. Et je crois que je vais mettre l'adresse même. Je vais mettre l'adresse. Et mon pantalon. C'est bien. Ah oui, et aussi ma veste qui est très oversize que je crois que j'ai eu chez non vas-y. J'ai eu sur comment ça s'appelle cette friperie? Kilo Shop. La friperie Kilo Shop. Est-ce que vous avez Kilo Shop?
Oui.
Yeah.
Ok. Et vous savez the weather in here is very bad.
Worse than Paris.
No, worst. Ouais, c'est vraiment le pire qu'à Paris.
Mais si c'était mal.
Il pleut. C'est un mauvais temps.
J'ai besoin d'une parapluie.
Moi aussi.
C'était même mon préféré. Parapluie.
Parapluie.
Dis
Réfrigérateur. It's umbrella.
Oh yeah, your favorite word.
Moi, je pense que my favorite word in French is...
J'aime bien le parapluie. Non. Papillon.
Ah, un papillon.
J'aime bien une souris.
Une souris?
Souris. I find it so cute.
Souris, ouais, c'est vrai.
T'aimes bien l'oiseau.
Ah, oiseau.
Do you remember we were like,
Ouais.
we were arguing about Wessel in Birmingham?
J'aime pas la façon à dire.
Ah. But, and then whenever Limus doesn't like someone's accent, she gonna let you know, hey, your accent is very bad.
No. It was like specifically
Like the wa. I didn't know it has like wazo.
wazo. She was
I
saying
thought
it
it was
oizo.
like oi.
Ah.
And I was
In
like,
English-
no!
in English
It's
you say like
wazo!
oi.
It's wazo! And we like had
And
to
we
Google it
Googled it,
and
and then
listen
it
on
like-
Translate.
And it did it phonetically as well.
Il pleut.
Bonjour mesdames et messieurs, aujourd'hui nous sommes à Londres dans une météo très délicate. It rains, it winds,
It's pissing it down.
Yeah.
pissing it down.
It's pissing it down.
Pissing it down.
Yeah, mais pour les pluies.
Oh, ok. Dun, 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 dun.
Ah! All of a sudden when my maquillage is done, then I'm on camera like, hey!
Wow.
Because earlier when I was in my pajamas and you were
You're like-
filming.
It's always Nadia.
Who, me? I'm done. J'ai fini.
Ok, moi je vais aux toilettes.
Okay, we have 2 jobs before we head off.
Oh, fuck off, because you were just complaining.
No, post office, like jobs outside of the house.
Okay, let's go.
Because I need to hit up the post office. Do I need anything else? Oh, Lamise, can you run into Nadia's room and grab my bonnet off her bed? Thank you.
Oh my god, are you telling me that because it's my green crochet bonnet just waiting there for me?
No. Because it's my brown bonnet I need. That's why. Awkward! Oh my god, I'm made for this shit. Like, hello. Doesn't it make you feel like you're a YouTuber?
The secret chord that David played. You don't really care for music, do ya?
What does this mean?
And it falls and
She was singing. Me?
No, everybody.
So we are walking.
Down the street, Brooklyn.
Oh, Brooklyn? Yeah, we're in Brooklyn.
Yeah, we in Brooklyn. Hey,
It's like if you were a cartoon character.
Yeah,
Does a cartoon character wear this?
I think so.
Yeah.
What's your favorite one?
I prefer the look of this one, but I'd wear this one more.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it on. The cherise. Someone hold.
Cerise.
Cerise or cherise?
No, cerise.
Ah, but
You cherry and cerise.
something means mouse though.
Mouse.
Cerise.
Souris.
C'est cerise.
Cerise. Sourcil.
A souris.
I just tried to
Sourire. Je savais that the side eye qu'elle m'a donné, the side eye that she gave me. Non mais non, because I didn't know how to say Chipotle.
Chipotle.
Chipotle. Okay, we're going to eat at Chipotle.
What do you mean by delay?
That's always good.
Is it good? Did you try it?
It's always good. I have it all the time.
Moi j'ai un burrito. Elle, j'ai pris genre en bol. Mais tu sais que j'ai cru qu'il y avait a lot of more rice.
Thank you. Look at that. Thank you,
Let's ask the audience.
Moi j'ai pris un burrito.
Let's ask the audience. Oh, she got some chicken.
Hey.
I just thought the line was like across the room.
That's what I was saying.
How do you know?
Okay, maintenant we're gonna take some milkshakes. We're in too far. Too much. Okay, I should stop carrying. You know, if Simoja was here right now, if you know Simoja,
Time and inviting people to.
yeah, and she wouldn't care about nothing. She would just be like this and everything.
See,
Oh, it
if
looks
you're
so
doing it, if
good.
you're like pointing it towards yourself, no one cares. Unless you're pointing it that way, like the other way.
Like that?
No, like the other.
Ah.
Towards people.
Ah, wait.
Then people will be like, why is she filming me? But
Who are you, girl?
Hello. I don't know how to act. I don't know
What's your name?
Rayma.
Rema. Where you from?
What? As in?
Origin.
Oh, okay. Barbados and Ghana. Yeah. And then
Talk about your jewelry. Where they from?
these ones, I think they're from Brandy Melville. This one's actually from Urban Outfitters. And then all the smaller ones, H&M. Yeah.
What about your necklace?
Oh, this necklace, I got it from Depop actually.
Depop?
Yeah. It was like £10 or something like that. It was actually really good.
That's cool.
And actually doesn't rust in the shower. It doesn't turn my neck green or anything like that.
Really?
No. It's actually really nice.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is.
These jeans, I think they're from H&M as well. And this jacket, it's my mum's coat, so I don't know.
And what about your shoes?
Yeah, Nike. I can't remember what they're called. Up tempos. Period.
So we are in
Beyond Retro.
Beyond Retro. Beyond Retro. And c'est en fait un thrift store, une friperie.
Mom, it's my préféré.
Ah, c'est son préféré. Sa friperie préférée. Say, ma friperie préférée.
Your what? What's the middle word?
Ma friperie
Friperie
préférée.
préférée.
Ma friperie préférée.
Oh my god, shut up. Mom,
Non, ma
friperie. Ma
Say it,
friperie préférée.
Ouais. Non. Ma friperie préférée. Non, please try it.
You can do it, Lamise.
Ma friperie.
What is this middle word?
Friperie.
Friperie.
Friperie. Mère friperie.
Wesh.
This is not how you're supposed to say wesh.
Wesh.
You're saying it like wow.
It's actually time for wesh all the time.
J'aime bien sans le.
Sans les...
Oh.
le boob. Ah, sans les boobs.
I don't like the boob.
Ouais. Do you have boobs?
Huh?
Do you have boobs?
No.
You don't like the...
You look like you have boobs.
Why are you... She literally like this...
Je suis au mannequin.
Oh.
Il n'y a pas de boobs.
That's... Yeah, the way Lamise is built is like...
Yeah.
Oh.
But I want to take this out because I don't like it.
But
You can take it out.
You can take it out.
Sarah could sew
But how
it
cute
up.
is this?
Yeah. You're like a flapper. Okay.
I have to.
Hey, la princesse.
Regardez la princesse, genre.
Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to do my lip combo routine. So, this just brown eyebrow pencil from the hair shop, black hair shop.
Yeah.
While you're constantly spending your money.
Actually, and I always get told to tidy like the areas that like are my weak spots. So like they're like light mixed stresses. I'm like, I need all of them.
You want to try something?
Pas vraiment, just because I know I'm not shopping right now. Do you? You should try one of the like black dresses or the little corset.
Yeah.
Did you try it on?
Yeah, I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
It's not flattering.
Dis Réma. Réma? Yep. There's nothing that you want to take? Like,
Like what? What would you say? Like inspirational.
no, I'm talking about the clothes.
Oh, I love this place. This is one of my favorite shops.
No, she's saying, are you not going to buy anything?
Oh, no. Because some of the things, most of them are like not in my size. They're like really oversized. So I can't.
Ah, yeah. Because she's a skinny bitch.